You know that moment when your heart feels like it's been shattered into a million tiny pieces? When you wake up one morning and suddenly everything seems different. The person who used to fill your thoughts, your dreams, your world, is gone. And now all you're left with is an emptiness so heavy, it's hard to breathe. But here's the thing I want you to remember tonight. This pain won't last forever. In fact, what if I told you this breakup could be the beginning of something incredible, something transformative? Are you ready to hear how? Stick around, because over the next 10 minutes, we're diving deep into exactly how to heal after a breakup without losing confidence in yourself. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps, not just to survive, but to thrive. Oh, and don't forget to hit that like button if you're still with me. Let me know you're ready to take back control of your life. Let's share stories we can relate to. I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Healing isn't linear. Some days, you'll feel unstoppable. Other days, you might find yourself crying over old photos or replaying conversations in your head. Trust me, I've been there. It's messy, raw, and sometimes downright brutal. Let me tell you about Sarah. She came to me months after her breakup feeling completely lost. Her self-esteem was at rock bottom. She said, "I don't even recognize myself anymore." Can any of you relate? If yes, drop a yes in the comments below. Seriously, I want to see who's resonating with this story. Sarah thought she'd never recover. But guess what? Today she's thriving. Not only did she rebuild her confidence, but she also discovered parts of herself she didn't even know existed. How did she do it? That's exactly what we're unpacking right now. Practical advice, here's tip number 1. Stop blaming yourself. Yes, you heard me right. Breakups are rarely one-sided. No matter what your ex or worse, your inner critic might say. Instead of dwelling on what went wrong, focus on what you can learn from the experience. Growth starts here. Tip number 2, rediscover you. Who were you before this relationship? Hobbies made you happy. Which dreams got pushed aside while you focused on someone else? Take out a piece of paper right now. I mean it. Pause the video if you need to and write down 3 things that bring you joy, then commit to doing one of them tomorrow. You deserve it. And finally, tip number 3, surround yourself with positivity. This means people who lift you up, not drag you down. Call that friend who always makes you laugh. Join a community group or try a new class. Surrounding yourself with good vibes will remind you of your worth. By the way, if these tips are helping you, please give this video a thumbs up. It motivates me to keep creating content like this for you guys. Let's build hope and encouragement, but healing doesn't happen overnight. There will still be tough days ahead, days where you question whether you'll ever fully move on. On those days, I want you to repeat this mantra: I am enough. My value does not depend on anyone else. Breakups hurt, but they also teach us so much about ourselves. They force us to confront our fears, face our insecurities, and ultimately become stronger versions of ourselves. Imagine looking back at this moment 5 years from now. Will you see it as the turning point where everything changed for the better? I believe you will. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Why? Because every week, I share tools and strategies to help you build resilience, boost your confidence, and create a life you love. Together, we'll turn pain into power. Also, leave a comment below telling me which tip resonated most with you. Was it stopping self-blame, rediscovering your passions, or surrounding yourself with positivity? Your words might inspire someone else watching this video right now. Before we wrap this up, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Thank you for trusting me with your journey, and thank you for showing up for yourself today. Healing takes courage, and you're already proving how brave you are simply by being here. Remember, you are worthy of love, not just from others, but from yourself too. Keep going, keep growing, and know that brighter days are waiting for you just around the corner. Until next time, stay strong, stay confident, and keep shining. Good night.